Okay, minions, me and Joel, we're coming down Rafts and we found this fucking Kubota fucked up lawnmower on the track. And Joel, where's that fucking big turkey we're going to put in there? We've got a FKU27 stick of dynamite. We're going to put in the fuel tank and just see how this bad boy goes.
I reckon it's just the pull cords that's broken.
Well, we'll see about that after it's gone up. Okay. Yeah!
Put on that log over there.
Come on, Joel. This is a serious piece of fireworks we're about to stick in its fuel tank. Light it and drop it.
I don't have a light. Oh, I do have a lighter.
Right, Joel, yeah, we've got to see it going down.
I reckon it'll sit there.
Oof. Alright, get back because of the shrapnel. Righto, boys and girls.
I don't have the beer.
Jesus fucking Christ. I can't fucking hear anything. Oh fuck, it's fucked. Fuck.
Did it blow that bit of metal off?
Yeah, blew the dipstick apart and all. Oh fuck, we get that louder than a 308, man. Fuck. Over and out, kids.